GeoVisionary is advanced software developed between Vitalis and the British Geological Survey for advanced visualization of geospatial datasets. Our GeoVisionary customers have the ability to load all their data in a single environment. This means they can see the relationship between the datasets on a massive scale, whether that should be just a town or a country or a continent or the world or another planet. The fact that they can see all their data and the relationship between these datasets coming in from different sources means their analysis will be more accurate, and it enables you to share the datasets with other people in the company, whether they're in the same office or whether in different countries.
We're using GeoVisionary as part of an integrated workflow. So we use GeoVisionary before we go to the field, we use it when we're in the field, and then we use it when we return from the field. And it fits into all three phases of field work to allow us initially to get the most from the baseline data that we have access to allow us when we're in the field to make the most of the observations that we're capturing on a daily basis, and when we get back in from the field to make the most of all of that data brought together within a single environment.
Point clouds have become the staple of geological surveying in the last few years, and point clouds can be produced by a variety of methods, one of which is laser scanning. The development with GeoVisionary of the capability to display point clouds has become a very powerful tool for us, not only to visualize our surveys but also to take measurements from them.
GeoVisionary fits in along with our digital workflow. We have full integration with our range of GIS systems, both here in the office and when we're in the field, to allow us to transfer information between the various systems and take that information with us to the field. For example, we use tablet PCs while we're in the field. These allow us to take with us the interpretations that we create while in the office beforehand, along with us, as well as the information we capture on these tablet PCs we bring back to the office following field work to integrate within GeoVisionary.
Compared to the methodology we previously had to use, which involved up to 4 different software packages, exporting and importing and so on, this is a very simple, for the user, a very simple method.
3D gives us the ability to look at those data sets in fairly real-world terms. So the elevation models, for example, that we work with, we can look at those in 2D and we can get a lot from that. But by putting it into 3D, it basically comes alive. We can start looking at that information in a range of different ways. We can modify the illumination, we can vary the vertical exaggeration, we can apply a range of tools to try and make sense of that information that help build our conceptual understanding of the underlying geology.